Hi, Ryan White here again. Uh, Today we'll be installing Tor browser on Ubuntu 24 LTS. We're gonna look at two different methods. We're gonna use the Software Center Flatpak, and the more traditional method of downloading a zip file. Uh, let's get into it. So the first method, Flatpak, you need to have the Flatpak uh, software center installed. On Ubuntu, that is very simple and straightforward. You just follow these instructions here. I've found that some packages from Flatpak work better than packages in the Ubuntu Software Center. For example, my Firefox browser always had issues, like it always crashes. Once I open a certain amount of windows, it would just crash. And so I uninstalled that and installed it from Flatpak, and it worked better. So I've been switching out a few of my applications to Flatpaks. Okay, so you need to install Flatpak first. I already have Flatpak installed, so I won't be installing it. But once you have it installed, by following all the instructions here, you'll be able to open up the software application on your desktop. So let's install Tor. Tor. Wait for it to load. Tor browser launcher. I think this is the one we're looking for. Wait, this one is the Debian package, and this one's what? And this one's the Flatpak. We'll install this one. And just like that, it is done. Gonna go ahead and open it. Something went wrong. Well, this is interesting. uh, okay, so you need to open the Tor browser launcher. This one. I think this is probably initiating Tor itself, but you need the browser launcher. Install Tor browser. The browser is now being downloaded. Okay, so just remember, after you install the app, you need to open the Tor browser launcher application and install Tor browser. Now that this is done, the browser is installed. This is what it looks like, no different from traditional browsers, except you'll now be able to connect to the, I call it the Onion network. Connect. And now, DuckDuckGo is the default search engine, and we will onionize, and then you can start surfing the dark web. I must say there are some pretty crazy stuff on the dark web. I've only been on it once, but it has some pretty crazy stuff. However, I could see how it could be beneficial in countries where maybe there's heavy censorship or that type of thing. Yeah. You can find various search engines which has onion links to different uh, web pages that you can browse. I won't search for anything here now, but you can just search for web pages that have links to other websites that you might want to browse. Yeah, this is pretty much it for Flatpak. Now we look at installing it the more traditional way by downloading the compressed file directly from Tor's website. And now we're looking to installing directly from Tor. Let's check out their website. Tor browser manual, Windows, Linux. Tor browser supported. Please reach out. Installation. I've actually never installed it this way, so we'll be doing this one together. I think this is probably a better way to install it to ensure you get the best version, but I don't think this will auto update. So go to the download page, download for Linux. It's downloading here. Okay, let's pause a bit while this downloads. Okay, file is now downloaded. Here it is. Okay, let's see what else. When the download is complete, extract the archive using an archive manager. Let's see my downloads file now. Let's put it on my desktop. Okay. Extract. Okay, that's extracting. Now you'll need to tell your GNU/Linux that you want the ability to execute shell script. Navigate to the newly extracted Tor browser directory, right click on the open properties. Okay, so we need to set it as executable. Open this, and we need to make this executable. So we go here, execute as a program. That should do it. Close. Okay. Double click on the icon to start up Tor browser for the first time. Okay, double click. Open as a code file. Let's see. On Ubuntu, a text file might open up. In that case, you'll have to change the default behavior and allow running .desktop file as executables. This settings can usually be found in your file manager. Okay, that's a new one. Let's see. So it's the settings that's found in my file manager. Preferences. Double click. Okay, give me a moment to figure this out. Okay, I thought there would be a setting somewhere in my file manager. I didn't see one, but I came back to the program, tapped on it, right clicked on it, and it now shows run as a program. So we'll try that. Nothing. Run as a program. Okay, let me figure this out. Alright, that's not working through the GUI, so let's switch to the other method of using the command line method. From the terminal, we're going to navigate to our folder where we extracted Tor browser. Let's get this location, change directory, paste, and we are in here in the Tor browser, so that would be / Tor browser. Yeah, Tor browser. We will list what's in the directory, and we have browser and start Tor browser.desktop. we'll execute this file from the command line. And what does the instruction say? It's this. Okay, and it says I can use some flags with it. Register app to register Tor browser a desktop application. Let's use this one. That way we should be able to open it more conveniently. Okay. Tor has been registered. Let's test. It's now available in my applications. You're not seeing it because I'm sharing the other screen. But if you search for it as an application, it now shows up as Tor browser, which is good. Okay, let's launch from here and see. Launching, and it pops up. And I can connect. Okay, come on. I know that sometimes it can fail here. I've had that happen with the package from the Ubuntu universe. Onionize, and there. So this works. Let's test the desktop application that I just registered and see if it works. So I'm searching TOR, click on it, and it opened up just the same. So this is a reliable method to install it. As I've said, you just won't get the automatic updates, so you'll just need to ensure that you're always using the best version. Hopefully someone found this video useful. I provided 2 methods of installing Tor browser. I'll also leave in the description a link to a website that will give you a bunch of links to other dark web websites in case you want to explore just a bit. Just be careful, and always use a VPN. I didn't access the dark web here, but if I were going to, then I would use a VPN. Always use a VPN. Okay, I'm out.